Hi, this is Jim Pinkham. I'm with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to go over the 280 SDX by Sea Ray. I'll show you some of the features on this boat. We'll start here in the back. We have a real large swim platform. This actually lifts down into the water and floats, so you can actually put on your wakeboard, skis, or just hang out and sit down in the water and be part of the crew while they're in the water swimming. We've got a real nice rear seating area. This is actually lifted up so that your legs are not just straight. It's a very comfortable seat. This little latch right here gives you access so you can get your wakeboard, skis, floats, tubes, whatever you want to put down into this big locker. It's very, very spacious for storage. On the transom of the boat, we have a stereo remote control. So underneath this cover, you can actually control the sound of the music while you're back here in the back. 12-volt power supply. Down in the floor, we have a cooler built in. So instead of having to get all the way up into the boat, you can just reach down here and get your favorite beverage out of the built-in cooler. Down here, we have a step built in. So if you pull into a dock and you want to board the boat, and the fingers of the dock only come out to here, you can actually still get into the boat very comfortably right on the side step. We have a sink here. Underneath us, we have a nice grill. This boat also has a refrigerator built in. Ample seating in this big spacious cockpit. These seats actually slide forward and back, so it becomes a very large seating area. We've got a built-in storage area for a cooler. All the seats on the boat are hinged. As you can see, the boat has got a lot of gear in it. If you buy a boat through MarineMax, one of the things that we do is we give you these real nice 3-buckle life vests. We don't give you the cheap orange or yellow vests that nobody wears. These are actually good vests that you could wear embroidered with the MarineMax logo on it. As you can see, the top, real nice sunshade. If you go underneath the dock or limited to space up top, undo this knob, that knob on the other side, the tower actually will fold down and give you a little bit more room and clearance. Moving up to the helm, we've got a very nice 12-inch Simrad touchscreen control. We have a bolster seat that you can set up, give you a little bit more room. The seat will actually move forward and back. This boat is equipped with a digital throttle and shift, so it's all fly-by-wire. On the port side, we have a very nice head with a sink inside. Nice little glove box up here on top. The Sundeck or SDX series have increased the size of the boat from the width all the way forward. So as you can see, it's very spacious and open up here. While you're sitting in the front of the boat, there's a lot of room here. I'm 6'5", and there's a lot of room in this bow of the boat. Very comfortable with the built-in armrests on the sides. It also has a windlass on the front, so no more having to pull the anchor up by hand. You can actually just push the button, pull the anchor up and back. This will complete the 290 SDX by Sea Ray. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-892-9676. Give us a call.